Inventory Summary for PICE and Inventory Manager's desktop. The Inventory Summary section allows PICE and inventory managers to perform administrative functions to the inventory and can be accessed only on the desktop version. Inventory Overview provides a count of total chemicals and total containers in your lab. View container issues. Count of containers currently barcoded. Count of containers missing barcodes. Inventory access and permissions. View and modify inventory members' permissions to access different functionalities within your chemical inventory. Pull multiple groups into the inventory. Add and remove colleagues. Colleagues are inventories you share chemicals with. To add or remove colleagues, select the pencil icon and search for the name of the inventory owner or the name of the inventory. The colleague will need to accept your request. After they do, you will be able to view their containers and easily check out and share containers. Certification. Certify your inventory as accurate. In the Import and Reconcile section, you can reconcile your inventory with RFID barcodes, reconcile your inventory by sublocation with QR barcodes, import containers in bulk, and export your inventory to a spreadsheet. You can also add or remove tags for your lab. To do so, type a tag name and press Enter on your keyboard to add. Let's go over sublocations. Sublocations are required before any containers can be added to an inventory. To add a sublocation, select Manage Sublocations from the Inventory Summary page. Select the round plus button in the lower right corner. Select the room number. Enter a sublocation name. A barcode can be entered manually or scanned later with your mobile device. The temperature and pressure default to ambient and can be edited as needed. Mark the sublocation as private to prevent the sharing of all containers stored within that sublocation. Select the appropriate hazard pictograms associated with the chemicals stored in the sublocation. Then select Save. Editing a sublocation. Select the vertical three-dot menu to the right of the sublocation. Select Edit. Edit information as needed. Select the Save button. To remove a sublocation, select the vertical three-dot menu to the right of the sublocation you wish to remove. Then select Remove. Before a sublocation can be deleted, the PI or Inventory Manager will be prompted to move the associated containers to a different sublocation. From the Inventory Summary page, you can also view missing rooms, which are rooms that are not associated with your inventory but have containers added to them. In the View Activity section, you can review the most recent 100 actions taken in the inventory. If a container was accidentally deleted, you can restore it here. Door hazard signs are automatically generated for the rooms in your inventory. From here, you can review, edit, and print hazard signs.